how to fix Cash App, this card can't be added. So for example, let's say that you're trying to add a credit or debit card. You click on your profile icon here, you go into linked banks and you choose link a debit card, and here you type out your card information, but it says that it can't be added. Now what can we do? Now the first thing that I suggest doing is making sure that you have input correctly the correct debit card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. Now if you're 100% sure that you have input all the information correctly, then what we can do is go to our profile in the top right and then go out here and go to the bottom and select sign out. Make sure you know your information before you sign out and then sign back in. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is clear the cache. So again, you will click on your profile icon, you'll sign out, and then you want to clear Cash App's cache. Now depending on your phone, it's going to be different for Android and iPhone users. For iPhone users, you will need to offload the application and then reinstall it. But for Android, you can just press and hold on the Cash App application and then you will see an option called Clear Cache. Select Clear Cache and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.